Listening 22. Listen and number.
Me and my friends are in different clubs and teams. Let's find out.
1,
This is my friend Lynn. She's got long, dark hair. She's in the music club. She can play all kinds of music.
2,
And this is my friend Pete. He's got red hair. Pete loves food. He's in the cooking club with his friends. What's that? It looks yummy.
3,
And this is Jan. He's got short, dark hair. Jan loves reading. He loves all kinds of stories. He's in the book club.
4,
And here's my friend Kim. She's got long, dark hair. She's on the baseball team. She's fast. She's good at throwing and running.
5,
Can you see Sam? He's got short, dark hair and glasses. He's in the chess club. He's good at playing chess.
6,
And here's my friend Dan. He's got short, fair hair. He's in the dance club. Dan loves dancing.